Replacing air filter on generation 10 Honda Civic like this one here. You can use Phillips head screwdriver here or 8mm socket, whichever one is easy. So for them, oops, wrong way around. So open, try it again. So 4 of these, and then the same back here. There we go, there. And another one over here. So once you have the 4 of these screwed loose, what's really nice about these is they're kind of self-contained, so you can't screw them out too far until they kind of come out. They hold in place, which is really, really handy. Air filter comes out. You put a new one in. I knew already. One thing I'd say to you about this housing is going to sit around the air filter. So when you put the air filter in first, you might feel like, it doesn't really sit in as nice as I want. But actually the housing needs to come down around it. If that air filter expanded the whole level, this top section actually wouldn't sit down properly. So that's going to sit down around the air filter, and then you push these guys back into place. And then just screw them back down. Yeah, it is pretty slow going. And eventually, that's pretty much it. Anyway, hopefully that helps somebody. Thanks for watching.